Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the source. Check that your file's frame rate and resolution match what your system can handle. Once done, close unnecessary apps to free CPU, GPU, and RAM because resource contention causes dropped frames. Then enable hardware acceleration in your media player or try a lightweight player. This offloads decoding to the GPU and smooths playback. Make sure to note whether stutter happens immediately or after a few minutes, which points to thermal or resource buildup. Next, change playback settings. Lower resolution to 720p or reduce bitrate to relieve decoding load because smaller frames decode faster. Also match the monitor refresh rate to the video's frame rate. Set a 60Hz display for 60 FPS content to prevent micro stutter. Update GPU drivers and install current codecs. Updated drivers can fix decoding bugs. Once updated, restart the media player and test. If using streaming, temporarily reduce stream quality and pause until buffer fills to isolate network from To finish, eliminate network variables. Plug in wired Ethernet and test the same file locally so you know if the problem is network-related. Inspect HDMI/display port cables and any capture hardware for loose connections or damaged ports because bad signal paths cause frame drops. If problems persist, reset the player's settings or switch to another player to rule out software corruption. Troubleshooting tip. If stutter appears only after a few minutes, monitor temperatures and throttle settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.